Whilst I'm sure most of you have seen bike reviews on the internet, I thought I'd take you through the process of what it's like behind the scenes on a bike review and how it's all put together. I am on the launch of the brand new Triumph Trident 660. This week I'm actually working behind the scenes for Triumph. All the press are now out here in Tenerife with us. It's more or less 10 days. So we come out at the start of the week and me, along with a few other members of Triumph staff, put together a route that we then take the press on during the week. So during the week we have members from all over the world, it's not just the UK. So the very first day we have the UK press.
Welcome to Tenerife.
Italians, French,
Confiné en France.
Germans,
Hallo liebe Tausendfest.
and then the Spanish.
Hola!
So I'll start off by taking you to the bikes now. This is the German group today. You can see them in the background there. And at the front of each group we have a Triumph staff member on a Trident as well. So that person can set the pace of the group, they know how fast to go.
What's your problem, Gaz?
The jeans are undone. So I've gone all down the inside. Fucking freezing. It's all down the inside of the gloves.
And he then has a tail rider behind the group who, you can see them here, is on a Tiger 900. Obviously that's a bigger bike, so you can carry more stuff on it, like first aid kits and all the other little bits we need. The Germans are leaving now. So the press have done their first ride, now we get to the coffee stop. This is where they have their first debrief about the bike amongst each other, and some of the Triumph technical staff answer any questions they've got, and then we go from here on to the photo stop. True to form, the Germans are all ready before I've even asked them to get ready. This is the support team. We're now at the first photo stop for the Germans, and they are just about to do their first run now. They get 6 runs past the photographers and videographers. This is them setting off now. We're at the lunch stop now. This guy here is vlogging live the whole time. That's his battery pack. There's 2 GoPros, so he's constantly talking to everyone in Germany, which is pretty cool.
Please explain where we can find your YouTube channel.
Tracking location. This is where the riders follow a car up the hill, and in the back of the car is either a photographer or a videographer, and they each get a run up the hill behind the videographer and then back the way with the photographer. and the road's closed at either end by local police. We have to jump in the car and drive the car whilst the photographers are in the back. Chippy, just show them how you're just strapped in.
I'm strapped in
by a proper rig.
Cannot fall out.
He says.
Says unless Gareth rolls the car.
So we're finished at tracking now. That's it, I've got nothing else to say, I've just ended that awkwardly.
So well.
No, it's alright, I'll cut it off before that, yeah.